Whoa, get a load of this. WPL C84 Suzuki Jimny LJ10. They say LJ means light Jeep. It is light. And it's a Jeep. Where do we begin? First, I took it out of the box, like so. And then I decided to drive it first before I reviewed it, so I can share some of my experiences with you. It has headlights, so I figured I'll drive it at dusk and into the dark. So please enjoy that. you say? Did you like the trail video? So they're saying this is 1/10 scale, but everybody always says everything's 1/10 scale. However, according to my measurements, it is actually 1/10 scale. So it does have leaf springs front and rear. I do believe they are a new longer design on a slightly revised chassis. They provide a good articulation. It would be nice if it came with shocks of some kind, oil-filled shocks, preferred. I know they offer those separately. They're like $10 a pair, but if it came with them, that'd be cool. So it's a little bouncy, and with the narrow wheelbase and the narrow tires, I did tip over a few times. It's got a full tub, inner fenders, so when you do flip it, it still looks good. Yes, it's a hard body. It's officially licensed Suzuki. So under the hood, kind of like a little engine cover and the on-off switch. Doors open. Full depth, fully detailed interior. The top is removable. It's made to look like canvas, but it's hard plastic. The battery is under the seat. I should say the battery goes under the seat. So it can be kind of fiddly to plug it in and get your hands in there and get it, especially if you have a driver. You have to take him out because you can't fold the seat up with him in there. I'd prefer to have the battery under the hood. I mean, the little engine cover is neat, but I feel like you could take that off. I wonder if the battery could fit under the hood. I don't know. That screw came pre-stripped. They must not want me putting the battery under the hood. Ah. And the windshield falls down too. So if you want to leave the hardtop on, and you want to put a driver in, and you don't want to have to take him out and open the doors and mess around with the battery, you can take the end cover off and put it in there. Of course, you'll have to fish the plug up into the front, but I want to take the top off anyway. Drive shaft, bits, drive shaft bit, a little screwdriver and some screws. So there's just those two screws. Unscrew the screws from the bottom and lift off the rear canopy. Okay, it's off. So I unscrewed the wrong screws first. These were the screws for holding the body to the interior, not for the top. That's cute. Cool. So we take the doors off. Doors are off. They supply these little hinge pieces if you remove the doors to fill the holes. A bit fiddly. All right. Fun. Now that's cool. Little jump seats, fold up and down. Spare tire swings out. A lot of functionality, very cool. It's a little squeaky. Might be able to hear that in the trail video. Need to put the instrument panel. I got the dashboard stuff on, screwed up the one sticker, folded it on over itself, and then it broke, so I'm bad at this. And with the top off, easier battery access. Metal hinges for the windshield, so you can flip it over. So this is a fellow I've used before. He's 6 inches long, which is above average. He's technically would be a little short for 1/10 scale, but he fits just perfectly in there. There's a happy guy. So I guess this is a new transmitter, and it's got a little trick up its sleeve. It has onboard tool storage, included tools. But if you want to go lightweight, that comes off. Pretty simple though, on off. Steering rate, brake, steering trim. That's it. That's about it. Some things to note. You might want to glue your tires on. If you get one, the tires are medium stiffness, according to WPL. My tires came off a couple times during the run. So the axles, they're all plastic. They do sell the upgrade kit for the metal axles and all that. Another $40. Single speed with a 370 motor supplied. You can upgrade to the 2-speed. So if you want to get the fully upgraded bundle that they offer, it would turn this $95 thing into $200 or so. And I'm yet to do the metal axle upgrade on the WPL. Maybe I should for this. But anyway, camera battery's about to die, and I think I'm done. So, thanks for watching. Woo! Thanks to WPL. I just lost my screws, so I'm not putting the top on. Okay. Bye.